Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the app of Duolingo. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.